Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your guy MC Kajambi, coming right away from Africa, Kenya. Yes, and Kenya is in the East Africa. So guys, I have a borrowed bicycle here that I am using to cruise to my construction site. This morning it's a cold morning here in Kenya. Actually guys, it's look like it's winter here. We don't have winter, but this month July seems like winter here in Kenya. It is very cold. Yeah, but at least the bicycle is helping to keep me warm. Yeah, the exercise. Yeah, I wanted to vlog while riding the bicycle, but it is interfering with the output of the content. So I have just to push the bicycle and talk to you guys and let you know what is happening here in my construction site. So guys, yesterday, so this morning there's no work going on this morning. So yesterday we were here and doing construction work, and it is one of the most challenging day, or it was one of the most challenging day, guys, because I had to deal with city management, city council, the one that is in charge of managing construction and approvals here in Kenya, and to be precise, in Kiambu County. And so like yesterday is not much of the construction that happened. So in a way, I incurred some losses because we had to engage with them for quite a long. So guys, what happened is the first set of managers, city managers, they are the ones that are also responsible with such kind of dumping that happens. You can see people are here who are just I would say inhumane. They just dump this black soil on the road, which is not good. It is. So guys, some dog were barking at me and just took this stone and it ran away. Yeah, that dog, it's gone. I know you have heard the barking and it has also interfered with my shooting. I was just saying that some people are inhumane to dump this cotton on the road. Yeah, because some have even dumped on somebody's property, but here they have dumped here. These are government premises because of these cables, power cables. Yeah, so guys, that is how it is. It was yesterday. I had to deal with two sets of construction management, city construction management guys. So in each and every instant, we spend like 1 hour talking, trying to negotiate. So we agreed. So we agreed on some certain matters. Then another set came. So I spent another 1 hour. So you see, so that means that construction is on hold. You have to bring construction on hold. What's up, guys? So this is what we did yesterday. This is yesterday's work. You can see. So this is the outside of the house. Outside of the house. So in here so you see quite a lot is done on this part of the wall, and that other one also in that other one, but not much done on this side. So initially the plan was these all to also to be the same courses, this other one, but now you see the interference by the authorities, we had to, this side of the wall is delayed. Yeah, so guys, today I've come to pour some water on these blocks, on this, yeah, the bricks. Yeah, it's a requirement so that it does not crack. It's a requirement here when we are constructing to pour water on these blocks. I don't know if you do that in your area. Yeah, that is construction in the villages. You have to deal with the authorities, and especially for, it's always a struggle for people who do not have much money, because they will force you to pay the approvals, and the approvals is need, it's actually quite some amount. Yeah, the approvals is very costly. The cost that will for approvals is almost equivalent to what I need to have these walls fully finished. So sometimes when you consider such kind of prices and costs, you just prefer to evade. Yeah, guys. So that is how it is. This is what we are doing, and still you have this other part left unattended. This one will deal with it later. So we just want to finish one side and flow with the vibe. Flow with the vibe. Yeah, guys, and flow with the vibe of running away from a rented premises or rented apartment. Yeah. So that is it, guys, from our village here in Kenya. See you in my next one. And guys, make sure to subscribe and like this video.